Now, if you are a startup and you're just starting a business, if you are an immigrant entrepreneur, if you came to America and you want to start a business, this might be the podcast for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Imparables Season 3. So this is the episode in which we're going to introduce what's going to happen in our next season of Imparables. So all of you, for the ones that don't know me, my name is Jose Miguel Taramona. I am the director of Ludus Mastery, and this season is going to be unbelievable. So if you are a starting up entrepreneur, if you are a salesperson, if you are a business owner, this might be the season for you. We're going to start with amazing content in only 12 episodes. So you cannot miss any of them. So what we want to achieve in this season is that you learn from the beginning to have the real basis of how to starting a business might be. And it's reaching everywhere. We're not reinventing the wheel here. You can learn how to actually start a business probably in all the other channels in YouTube. But this is a real way that we entrepreneurs, this is the real way that how we as immigrants that started a business in America can done it and can be done in a way that you don't sacrifice your marriage, you don't sacrifice your life or your relationships all around you. So if you are new in the channel, we're going to leave a description here to you see what we're talking about, who I am, what we do, and why we are trying to give all this information to you guys. Now, if you are a startup and you're just starting a business, if you are an immigrant entrepreneur, if you came to America and you want to start a business, this might be the podcast for you. You know somebody that are starting a business and an immigrant, right? Because we all pass like that. So you want somebody to talk to you like when you come and the feelings that you have and the situations that you experience. And maybe you can relate and take the steps that take as many of us, not only me, but many, in my case, Hispanic entrepreneurs or immigrant entrepreneurs in America to have a successful business or what success means to you. And we want to talk about all those concepts, right? Like cash flow, like marketing, like sales, like how to bring revenue, how to expand, how to delegate, how to become a leader in your business, how to become a coach, how to actually help people. If you have services or products or whatever you're trying to sell, something that you're passionate about, we are here to help you. But the first question that I want to ask you before we start with everything is, what is the business that you want to be in and why? Why do you want to start your business? Why do you want to start a business? Why do you want to be an entrepreneur? And that's a really important question to ask. And I ask many people, and many people say, hey, because of the money. And I understand everybody wants to be a business because of the money. But that's what we believe. I don't think that's the real reason. I think it's for most of us in the beginning was ego. For other of us was just because you happen to have to make that decision in order to grow. For the other people, it's just got into the place in which they don't never know they have to be. I want to ask you these questions just in this introduction episode. Why do you want to be in business, right? Think about it. Business is a really very, very lonely career. Business is nobody's going to pat you in the back saying, good job. No one is going to be there saying, oh my God, you did great. No one is going to, when you messed up, nobody's going to tell you, hey, you messed up. So it's a really lonely career, but it has a lot of rewards because it comes with a lot of growth. And if you have a business and you are growing as a person, your business is not serving you. So the idea of being in business is that business serves you. So use your business as a vehicle to create great things for you and the people surround you, your family. So with that being said, and with that question, we're going to dive inside how to start a business and what the fundamentals of starting a business. We here in Ludus Mastery have a great fundamental business course. in which we start with entrepreneurs that already have a business. We're going back to basics, because why is important basics? Why is important to understand why do we have to in place to create a business? Because if you start good, when you expand, it's going to be easier. When you go big, you won't do it by demand, but you will do it by your capability. And you will still delivering a high level product or a high level service without sacrificing other parts of your business. That's why fundamentals are so important. And we are going to talk in the next 12 episodes of how these fundamentals might work for you, or how can you make it work in your situation that you are right now, or in the enterprise that you want to start. So we covered 2 questions. Why do you want to be in business? What are you want to sell, right? What is a service, or what is the product that you want to sell? And the third, and very important, are you ready to put the time and necessary resources that takes to build a business? It takes sacrifice. It takes time. If you are young, you won't be able to go out on the weekends with your buddies. If you are old, you won't have time to actually be some time with your family. So you have to understand that starting a business, it takes all your commitments. It takes all your focus, but if you want to be successful, of course. But most important, it takes a lot of your energy. So one of the things that we always talk in the beginning is find a why. Find something that puts you, something that actually take you to wake up the next day living that dream that you want to live. So if you are ready to start a business, come in, dive in with me in the next 12 episodes of season 3 of Imparables. Call someone, tell someone, share this information, thumbs up. Please like and subscribe. That will help us a lot to actually give more information to young and starting up business and entrepreneurs like you. Like I say, we don't want to be one of the rest saying things that everybody say or repeating the stuff that is actually in the books. We don't want to rewrite the anthem. We don't want to redo the wheel, reinvent the wheel. What we want to do is actually share with you experiences of how we fail, so you don't fail, and look for real entrepreneurs, look for real business owners, for real company owners, how to start a business and how to make it happen. So we will see you in the next 12 episodes. Share the information, and we'll start in the next episode with Imparables Season 3. See ya.